activity where Mike Terry has graciously donated his time to come out and give me a playing lesson on the golf course. We're lucky enough today to be here at the Farms, which is a beautiful golf course. Knows. So Mike, let's go over kind of the shot that we're looking to hit here. It's relatively open, but give me some feedback of what you would want me to do at this point.
Sure. Yeah, of course. So right here we have a first hole opening hole right here. A little bit of a dog leg left.
Yeah.
Down the left side, looks like you can kind of cut the corner just a touch right there. Over to the right, there's a couple bunkers there. So ideally, we don't want to go super left, right?
Yeah.
But the left side is probably more of the line that we're looking to take right here.
Sure.
So, with that being said, with there being kind of hazards out over to the right with those bunkers there, and kind of having that angle where we can go a little bit more down the fairway, if we don't aim at them, we probably want to take more of that line over the path right here. So,
okay.
In a situation like this, I think you want to consider if you're going to try to hit more of a fade or if you're trying to hit a draw.
Sure.
Based on that ball flight, you would want to tee up more on the left side or more on the right side of the tee box right there.
Okay.
So, in a situation where you want to hit a draw, such as this one here with it kind of doglegging more to the left, it would probably make a little bit more sense to be more on the left side of the tee box right there.
Okay.
If you're going to hit a fade being over on the right side, that can kind of give you a little bit better of an angle with the curve right there.
Sure.
But with this being kind of dogleg left, ideal shot being more of a draw, that's why I have this over on the left side of the tee box. So,
okay.
Another thing that I'm kind of looking for with the opening shot, I'll usually look for a piece of grass or something on the ground to almost use as an intermediate target to help with my alignment. So that's almost the point where I want to start my shot, and then it'll probably curve a little bit off. Ideally, maybe curve maybe 5-10 yards to the left with the draw right there to go with the dogleg. So in terms of like the visualization of the shot, I'm gonna stand behind this with my pre-shot routine.
Sure.
And I'll kind of look at that starting line, either grass, something on the ground that I can line up to, and try to imagine the shot that I'm going to hit as I'm walking up to the ball.
Sure.
And then after I've imagined that shot and I feel like I've committed to the line and everything, then I'll walk up to my ball right here and I'll go ahead and hit it right there. So I normally don't take practice swings as I'm stepping up to the ball. I only do practice swings more so if it's like a shorter feel shot.
Got it.
On full swings, I'm trying to think more about that visualization and imagining the shot that I'm trying to hit.
Okay.
Keeping that in mind as opposed to trying to feel like a full swing, anything like that. I feel like when that happens, I do think a little more about mechanics.
Sure.
Whereas if I'm thinking about this, I can kind of lock in a little more on the target alignment and the visualization of the shot that I'm doing.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks so much. Let's go ahead and we'll hit. We'll go from there.
Cool.